Welcome to the Ultimate Christmas Trivia Challenge. Think you know everything about Christmas? Well, let's see. You will get 25 questions, each with 3 options and 10 seconds to guess. What date is Christmas celebrated on? Answer A, December 25th. Who delivers presents on Christmas Eve? Answer B, Santa Claus. What color is Santa's suit traditionally? Answer B, red. What animal pulls Santa's sleigh? Answer C, reindeers. Who is the famous red-nosed reindeer? Answer B, Rudolph. What is placed on the top of the Christmas tree? Answer A, a star. Which drink is most associated with Christmas? Answer A, eggnog. Which holiday comes right after Christmas? Answer B, New Year's Day. 9. What do children hang for Santa? Answer C, stockings. Last question. What is Frosty? Answer A, snowman. How much answer is correct? Comment your answer. See you next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.